Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to Sourav sir classes. This is Chinu Thakur, and as you know that mostly I'm giving information related to various examination, various competitive examination for all on the world. Like I'm talking about the global examination as well. So one of the important examination of that is ABIM, that is certification examination in USA. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about this examination, what sorts of examination is that, and how Saurabh's class will give you a wonderful core strategies to achieve a good score in this examination. So let's get started. This paper is important. So if you want a certification exam, so you need this program as well. So what is the ABIM? So the ABIM certification exam is a professional milestone for interns who wish to practice internal medicine in the USA. So this examination is important, right? So it certifies that a physician has the knowledge, skill, and experience to be just a second, guys, experience to deliver quality healthcare in internal medicine, right? Because internal medicine field is very enlarged, so they need a perfect persons. Okay, so what are the exam structure and what are the details of this examination, that I'll tell you in this video in a short way. Okay, so basically it serves as both a practice for the set and a qualifying test for National Merit Scholarship Program. Why this is so? Because they have some eligibility criteria, exam format, some more information also. So in eligibility criteria, we see that candidate must have completed a residency in internal medicine or a related subfield. Then exam format will be, it is a single day computer based exam which consists of multiple choice question. Okay, and the questions are based on clinical scenarios that test a candidate's understanding and decision making skills in internal medicines. Okay, so this examination is important, guys. So how will you prepare, that is important. So the duration of this exam is administered in 4 blocks, each lasting 2 hours with a total of 8 hours including break. So there are breaks also. So that doesn't mean that 8 hours is a long or continue. Okay. The scoring method is the total score range from 320 to 1520. Only juniors are considered for the National Merit Scholarship Program, and the scholarships are high scoring students, which is typical in the top 1% of test makers. Okay, may qualifying for the National Merit Scholarship or Recognitions Program. Then content areas are, the ABIM exams covers a wide range of topics related to internal medicines basically. So this is the important thing. Then certification process are, initial certifications will be after passing the ABIM exams, physicians receive their initial certification in internal medicine. Then maintenance of a certification is like MOC. Physicians must continue to meet ongoing educational and professional developments and requirements to maintain their certification over time. Okay. Then we have perfect course strategy. What course strategy or course plan strategy is given by Saurabh class? So I'm just going to give you a small intro for that. So customized study plan, we have like they offer personalized study strategies based on a student's learning pace, focusing on subject wise strength and weakness. Okay, because every child is different. So number one, course structure and duration. Total duration month is 4 to 6 months. It totally depends on individual pace. Class frequency will be 3 to 4 times per week. Class duration is 2 hours per session and both online and offline as per the availability. What are the special features of this courses? That's important question. That the special features of this is test taking strategies, special sessions focused on managing time during the exam, reading clinical vignette and choosing the best answer. Resource material is study guides, notes, recorded sessions for revision, and access to question bank with thousands of questions. Okay. One-on-one mentoring is always helpful, so we are providing one-on-one mentoring, personalized feedback sessions with instructors to discuss progress, clarifying doubts, and create a customized study plan. Regular assessment also we have weekly quiz and assessment to track improvement and ensure content retentions. Okay. So guys, this is all about this examinations and I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, just put a like button and give your comment also. If you want to connect with Sourav Sir classes, we have our website, that is www.sourabsirclasses.com, and I have also provided the same information in a comment section as well. If you want to connect with our administrative team, just comment on that comment section. Our team will connect you shortly. Thank you so much. We'll meet soon in our next session.